Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9 subject social science chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is movement towards the independence. Now our next topic is Mountbatten Plan 1947 and partition of India. This Mountbatten Yojana June 1947 અને હિન્દના ભાગલા. On March 24, in which date you children? In March 24, Viceroy Mountbatten presented his scheme. According to him, there was no alternative other than partition of India. What happened then? Here, Viceroy Mountbatten given the plan, and here now there is no alternative for only the partition of India. National and prolific leaders like Sardar Patel understood the matter. After the many discussion and pondering, finally on June 3rd, 1947, Viceroy Mountbatten decided to plan the partition of India. Now what happened there? Now June 3rd, 1947, Viceroy Mountbatten decided the plan for the partition of India. This plan is known as a Mountbatten plan. It means whatever the plan was prepared, this name of the plan, it is known as a Mountbatten plan. The Congress leader and Muslim League accepted this plan. Now what happened? That whatever the plan is there, Mountbatten plan, this Mountbatten plan was accepted by the Congress leader and the Muslim League. When the Mountbatten plan started getting the implementation, the people of the East Bengal and the select provision of the Assam decided to join the East Pakistan. West Bengal and the East Bengal were affiliated with the India. As per the decision of their assembly, West Punjab joined with the Pakistan. Now it was decided to affiliate North-West provision, Sindh, Baluchistan with the Pakistan. After dear children, our next topic is Indian Independence Act, July 1947. It means Hind Swatantra Dharo, July 1947. The British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act. What happened? The British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act according to as per the Mountbatten plan. According to this, India's first Governor General was a Mountbatten. Now what happened? According to this, India's first Governor General was a Mountbatten, and Jinnah was the Governor General of the Pakistan. By this act, India's dependence on the British rule came to an end. Therefore, Gandhiji considered this act as the one and only the one best and beneficial act given by the Britisher to the India. What happened there? Here, that's why Gandhiji has considered that this act was only the best and beneficial act given by the Britisher to the India. The last viceroy of the British government organized the function in New Delhi. Now what happened there? The last viceroy of the British government organized a function in the New Delhi at the midnight of the August 14th. The midnight of the August 14th, the Union Jack of the England was brought down from the pole and the Indian national flag tricolor was the hosted. What happened there? The Union Jack of the England was brought down from the pole. Now the Indian national flag tricolor was hosted. The document attributing the independence to the India were handed over by the Mountbatten to C. Rajagopalachari, the first Governor General of the Independence India. Entire atmosphere was full of the excitement. Entire process of transferring of the power now completed. August 15, 1947. We did August 15, 1947 was an excellent dawn for the India. All the celebrate the first independence festival very pleasantly and cheerfully in the entire country. And that's why what happened then in August 15 every year we all are celebrated as an independent. The same day on August 15 1947 all the celebrated of the first independent festival very pleasantly and cheerfully in the entire country. Everywhere people hum Toram, good omen, ondo, sweets were distributed in school. Many people who had taken the vow felt the reliance on its fulfillment. But Gandhiji was shocked due to the partition of the India, and therefore he had deeply plugged into the grief and drifted into the meditation. Now next one, dear children, they were given India becoming independent and the immediate problem of it. Now what they were given that India becoming independent and the immediate problem of it. स्वतंत्र बनेल भारत અને તેની સમક્ષની તાત્કાલિક સમસ્યાઓ. India and Pakistan, now two separate nations. Independence nation came into the existence as a result of preparing the Mountbatten Plan and Indian Independence Act 1947. The resolution to the following problem had to be found out. Now after the independence, now they have to find out the resolution of the following problem. First, reorganization of the military forces. What reorganization of military forces? It means Lashkaroni Vyavastha. Second, dispute over the assets and the property. મિલકતોને લગતા પ્રશ્નો. Third, debts and the credits. લેણા અને દેવાના હિસાબ. Fourth, problem and settlement of the refugee. નિષ્ણાતોની સમસ્યા. Fifth, public service and the arrangement of the civil servant and the administrative staffs. Which one the fifth one? Fifth, regarding with the જાહેર સેવાઓ અને તે માટેના અધિકારીઓ અને વહીવટી તંત્રની વ્યવસ્થા. Sixth one, demarcation of the international boundary on eastern and western side of India to be fixed. Which one? Sixth, ભારતની પશ્ચિમે આવેલ પશ્ચિમ પાકિસ્તાન અને પૂર્વ તરફ પૂર્વ પાકિસ્તાન આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય સરહદો નક્કી કરવી. This all are the problem after the Indian Independence Act 1947. A 5-member committee consists of the two representatives of each from India and Pakistan was formed under the chairmanship of the Lord Mountbatten. The committee appoints the different commission consist of the expert of the relevant subject to solve all these above 5 problems. In case of any difference of the opinion, both the nation have admitted to accept the final decision, whatever the decision given by an arbiter consists of the one representative of India and the one representative from the Pakistan under the chairmanship of the former Chief Justice of the India. Military Commander General of India complete the partition of army as well as the military weapon. The British Army left India from February 28, 1948. All officers, employees of the administrator, military, judiciary were given the opportunity to choose whether they would to serve for the India or the Pakistan. They were given the assurance about their pay, allowances, security or services as well as the pension. A large number of refugees from both the nation, it means from the both countries, are migrated, leaving their houses and the properties. India solved the tremendous problem of the rebellion and the restoration very skillfully in the patiently. Then the Deputy Prime Minister and the Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel merged upon 562 small and the big princely state of the India into the Indian Union. Now what happened the DH? Here the Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel merged the princely state 562 and this princely state are small as well as the big into the Indian Union territory. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel strong determination, iron will and diplomatic negotiation solve the problem. yet long-term planning to find the solution of the problem like effect of communal rights due to the partition, the show of Mahatma Gandhi's death to make the independence India self-reliant with the help of the good governance, the weak condition of the Indian agriculture to create the atmosphere of the peace and the tranquility in the country, and the internal as well as the external security of the countries etc. become the necessary. Thank you, dear children.